We started our road trip for Mount Shasta, California. We just graduated college, and this road trip was our way of celebrating the start of a new chapter. The day before we left, we had to get all of our equipment and gear set up. On top of Tepui, Tacoma Beast and Altitude Rack Systems wanted to support our journey and gave us a ton of equipment. This was great news, but it also meant that we had less than 12 hours to get everything installed. We started with the new headlights we got from Tacoma Beast. It was a great way to enhance our visibility and give the truck an aggressive new look. Next, we installed the new taillights to match the headlights. We hooked up the Waterport system so we could stay clean after riding bikes and camping every day for a week. In order to mount our Tepui Kukunom Sky, we used a brand new prototype rack from Altitude Rack Systems that adjusts up and down with a click of a button. As the sun set, we worked into the night to get everything installed and loaded so we're ready to take off in the morning.
All right, we're coming at you guys 12:30 p.m. live the night before we're leaving for our trip. That was really overexposed.
23.
There we go. Time to hit the hay.
It's in the morning, dog.
Wake up and begin our road trip.
The first leg of the trip from Mount Shasta to Mount Hood was full of epic views and excitement. Our endless adventure had finally begun. It's only the first day and there's a long road ahead. Make sure to subscribe and follow along on our trip of a lifetime.